how you doing? Welcome to beautiful Scotland in the mighty Glen Coe. I'm off today to do a walk up to the Hidden Valley, which is just behind me over here, and that's the Three Sisters behind me as well. I thought I'd bring you along for the journey. But before I start, I've got to have a little moan. It's not the tone for the rest of the video, but just to say, look at this. Leave no trace, guys. If you're going to come out to beautiful places like this, leave no trace. Right, anyway, moan's over. So the Hidden Valley up here is where apparently the MacDonald clan or something like that, apologies if I got the facts wrong, 1692, and they hid their cattle up there. I'll put some links to some stories if you want to know the history. But either way, it's a valley you wouldn't really know is there apparently. So yeah, I've never been up there, let's see where it is, let's go. So I parked just here, there's two car parks along here, like large lay-bys really, no fees, nothing, it's free. Taking the track here, and then that's the Lost Valley up here. I pointed over there earlier on. This is the Lost Valley. You might be able to, if I zoom in, you can see loads of people walking up that path there. Look. Up into the valley over there. So I'm not entirely sure how far it is. It's about 1.5 miles or something. But I think once you get up to the valley, it's up to you whether you stay at the entrance to the valley, the mouth of the valley. Any geographers out there, remember what it's called, and then it's up to you how far up the valley you go. So we'll see. So I'll give some details near when I've done it, and I can check back on my app to see actually how far it was, rather than just make it up. Sounds like a bit of a waterfall down there. And down these steps. See what you can find, eh? Exciting. So far, pretty good. Geared up for reasonable access. I guess you saw that bit there where I just came up those rocks. Even had a wire rail to hold on to, which is nice. I know it's not extreme for some people, but still, I see it's well managed. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I stop, you can hear the river below me. You can't see it, but oh, doggy coming up. Sensory overload here. The river, the birds, it's just beautiful. I'll just show you the path up here through some woodlands. There's the path, pretty, through the trees, a bit of blue sky, yay! I'm doing a week's trip up north, by the way, and that's almost the first bit of sunshine I've seen apart from on the road into Glen Coe yesterday for about 5 minutes before it rained. Yeah, so I was supposed to be camping. My plan for my trip was going to camp up one of the peaks. I can't remember what the name of it is now. I'm rubbish at pronouncing Scottish names. But by the time I got there, you couldn't even see the foot of the mountain because it was so wet and rainy and misty. So I went to a campsite. That doesn't matter. Last night I managed to have a little fire, where you can have a fire, by the way, before anyone comments. It was lovely, sat by the river. Without wishing to curse it though, the weather looks a lot better today. Bit of blue there. And we're going to head up here in a second. Nice mix. Just stunning. So just coming out of Glen Coe now. Heading up the valley. It's just breathtaking. It's absolutely breathtaking, I have to say. The concentration here though, I think. Right, up this way. Yeah, definite concentration required on these bits. Don't want to end up down there, do you? And I'll be happy with this, but in Glen Coe, but apparently the Hidden Valley is even more beautiful. So I can't wait to see what we find out. I don't know if you can hear me over this, but look at this. Every step more stunning. I'll turn you around. Hey, not bad. Look at that. Hey, get my face out of the way. You don't want to see that, do you? Stunning. I mean, it just gets better and better and better, doesn't it? Better, sorry, my English pronunciation right. Yeah, oh my god, it's just unbelievably stunning. Unbelievably stunning. Woo! Right, let's get up to this valley then, which is supposed to be the best bit. Can't get better than this, surely. Bit of a scramble here. So, put my camera down for a minute. Let's get up a bit there. So, you do need a little bit of ability about you to get up here, but nothing overly challenging. From down there. Right. This sort of thing. Why it's always worth taking a map. I nearly went wrong and didn't realise there's a river crossing. Carried on going up. Oop. Not too bad, look. There we go. Over the river. Right, onwards. Now, if the legend is that whoever it was, whatever clan it was, got their cattle and hid them up in this hidden valley, quite how they did it up those stairs, I have no idea. They were obviously cows with, I was going to say 4-wheel drive, but they got 4 hooves, didn't they? 4-hoof drive, that's what we need. Then they were fine. Don't know what I'm moaning about. 4-hoof drive cattle. I've got no beef with them though. Okay, give me a go. Just come into it now. There we go. Oop. Oh, wait till you see this. So literally, just go into the valley, but now the valley floor just opened up in front of me. That is it's pretty breathtaking. Take a look at this. Hidden Valley done. Distance miles, about a mile and a bit, I think, but there's about 200 metres of ascent. Took me about an hour and a half, I reckon, but I stopped and did some of this. So, you know, I don't know, hour and a half, well, hour and a quarter maybe, it depends. I need to rush it, plenty of stuff to look at on the way, lovely waterfalls to sit by, and then spend a bit of time here, I think. So I'm going to get the brew on now, obviously, and I'll see if I can get the drone up. A few views of the area. Nice Giorno. Brew time. Right then guys, that's me done. Hope you like the drone footage. Just had a cup of tea, chilled out here for a little while. I think I said it probably took me about an hour and a half to get here, but it's a beautiful spot. Bring a packed lunch, bring some sandwiches, bring a cup of tea. There's some people playing frisbee here earlier on, believe it or not. It's a really nice spot to chill out. So I stayed here for about an hour and I'm heading off now. So thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.